Good day, viewers. You are welcome back to Tindanious Maths and Science tutorials. Let's go straight to the point. If you are new here, kindly visit my previous lecture videos on how to graph piecewise functions. So you have a question on the board. Sketch a graph of the function f of x given by this for this set of values that will make the function define. The same applies for the second function. So we are going to graph this separately, then add them together, and that will be what? The graph of the function f of x. So now we are mature now, right? We are mature now, so we will just work everything on a single sheet or on a single graph. Alright, good. So let's tackle the first one. I have negative x plus what? 5. Because we are plotting, I will need my x and my y coordinates. So if I have x, then y this way. Now, let's look out for the set of values that will make this function define. We have from 1 up to 3, right? So I have from 1 up to what? Up to 3 this way. As simple as that. Because there's the interval. As simple as that. So now, so if I have negative x, okay, so whenever I see negative x, I'll put these values inside the function. So I have negative x plus 5, right? So what do I have? X is equal to 1. So I have negative 1 plus 5. What do I have? I have positive 4. So if I have 1 here, I have 4 here. Now, when x is equal to 2, so negative 2 plus 5, what do I have? Positive 3. 3. What happens when x is equal to 3? So I have negative 3 plus 5. What do I have? Positive 2. So I have positive 2. As simple as that. So I have 1, 4, okay? So 1, 4 this way. So on the x-axis I have 1 and 4. Okay, so somewhere here. Good. So viewers, here we have what? 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Or is it 2 and 3? So I have 2, then 3. Here, somewhere here. Let's say somewhere here. Good. Pattern is not done to scale. The viewers, I have what? 3, 2. So 3 here. Then I have 2 here, somewhere here. Like this. So what do? I'll just draw a line, a straight line to pass through here. This points. As simple as that. Okay. That's it. From here up to here. Now viewers, look at the interval from 1. So you have less than or equal to x. So you see, there's a bar here. So this bar is clearly telling me that what? This one is inclusive. In other words, I'll shade that end point because of this. Because of this, okay, this. I have to shade the end point, which is 1, right? Good. As simple as that. So viewers, here, see, there's the 1. So that means I'm going to shade here. Then 1 up to go 3. And because of the presence of this bar over here, I'm going to what? I'm going to also shade the other end point. Right? So here, what do I have? I have 3 over here. Here, 3 over here. Right? So which means this is the end point. So I have to what? I'll shade this side. As simple as that. Now let's consider the second one. X minus 1, right? So I have x minus 1. Let's draw the table. And there's the interval. 3 less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 5. So I have x, then y over here. So that means I'll start from 3, then I'll end at 5. So I have 3, 4, then 5. So what will be the corresponding values for the x? Okay, so I have, wherever I see x over here, the values of x, I'll put it inside the function. So I have 3 here, right? So I have 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1, what do I have? I have 2. Then what do I have here? 4. So 4 minus 1, what do I have? 3. Then 5 minus 1, what do I have? 4. So I have 4. As simple as that. So let's plot 3, 2, right? So I have 3, there's my 3, and 2. Hey, wow, it will fall on here. So we already have this over there, right? Good. So that means we are going to start or begin everything from this point. Do you get it that way? All right. So what's the second coordinate? 4, then 3. 4, then 3, right? I have 4 here. Let me locate my 3. 3 is somewhere here, right? Let's see, somewhere here. Good. Somewhere here, 3. Then 5, 4. Then 5 is here, and 4 is somewhere here. 4, somewhere here. Let's see, somewhere here. Good. So I also draw a straight line to pass through this point, something like this. Okay, it's not drawn to scale. That's it. As simple as that. Now, viewers, let's account for the inequality. We have 3 less than or equal to x. You know what to do, right? So I'll shade that endpoint. So this is my 3 up to here, right? It's already shaded, right? So let me consider the other end here. Up to what? Up to 5. Is that not so? So this is my 5, right? So this is my 5. So let me trace. I want, yeah, this is the 5, right? Good. Now, less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 5. That means I'll shade that end point to make the function defined. So somewhere here, good. There's it. So you erase this. As simple as that. Viewers, so this is the graph of the function f of x. So the hint, the trick, the secret is that consider both graphs, okay, separately. Afterwards, combine or merge them to get your overall graph of the function. I'm done for the day. So far as this YouTube channel is concerned, we are going to explore. Bye.